Here's a quick, fun way to practice your pentatonic scales that I think it's a little more interesting. What I like to do is, I'll say like right here, D major. So if I go up a D major pentatonic, instead of coming back D major, I like to come back D minor. The idea here is that you're getting under your fingers so that you can play the major pentatonic and the minor pentatonic kind of interchangeably right in the same position. So then after I practice that a couple of times, I'll go through, and then I'll take each, like say the first and the second string. This is what I'm playing for major, minor, and then I like to mix them up. So at any position, you can switch between major and minor pentatonic. I think that's a really fun way. And you don't want to just do it in what I consider first position here. You want to go through and do it in all 5 positions on the neck. If you're saying to yourself, well, I don't know all 5 positions for major and minor pentatonic all over the neck in all 12 keys, well, I got you covered. I have a link down in my profile. You just go to the profile link, the Linktree link, and if you look there, it'll say free book or something like that. And it's a free PDF. It's my scales book. I think it's over 80 pages. It'll show you all major scales in all 12 keys, all the pentatonic scales, and all the chord tones in all 12 keys. And you can get it for free. Just go to the link in my profile.